Hello everyone, myself Tarun Rai and I'm gonna talk about a video which I present you as a psychological aspect of a movie called The Truman Show. Assuming that the viewer is familiar to the movie, I will move on a brief intro saying that movie revolves around a person whose whole life is staged in a television reality show and is not aware of it at all. This is all made possible by some amazing human inventions like smallest camera or the biggest structure in the world as stage for the show. Just to make the staged world feel real to Truman, director of this show uses help of many psychological phenomena. For example, first, classical conditioning. Since Truman should remain always in the staged world, which was designed as an island surrounded by sea, Truman must fear to travel through the sea. The phenomenon staged was so strong that even after 20 years of that accident, Truman cannot make him cross a bridge or sea or to catch a ferry out of an island. Though how hard he tried, the psychological fear made him always to come back. Truman was aquaphobic because when he was a kid, his father died in sea. So every time he was close to sea or walked through a bridge with water in the bottom, he was scared. People in charge of the show created this accident or phenomena so Truman could not leave the town. But it lasted then when Truman got a reason, a motivation behind his decision to leave the island. This motivation was his love. Though Truman was married to the woman that caused that was in spirit, but Truman fell in love with a girl in the show. Since this was not in the script, the girl was removed from the show. Before being taken away, the girl told Truman that she is going to Fiji. Hence, to meet her, he must travel out of the island. Her love motivated him so much that he started making various efforts for it. Next is learning. Some repeated pattern changing around him made Truman realize that something is wrong. Here we can see social learning theory. In this theory, it says that what you see is what you do. Truman interacts with nice people since he was a kid. So this makes him a very kind, polite and joyful person. But after noticing strange events and happening around him, he starts to change his behavior and explores the truth. Like cross fingering done by his wife while making any promises, or like a radio person always describing the streets in which Truman is driving. He also notices that everyone around him is keeping an eye on him when he does something different that is not in the script. Finally, he discovers the truth and decides to go away. Hence, he sails through the sea, coming through over his fear, and finally escape through an exit door. At the end of the stage, saying his favorite words, in case I didn't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and goodbye, good night, showing a gesture that the show is over. This movie shows how a control psychological phenomena can be used to alter any living being's life.